Hi guys, it's David Martinson here from Internet Marketing for You. Today is February 2020 and it also marks the launch of a brand new product called Breakthrough from two guys, an English guy called Trevor Carr and a Swedish guy called Jonas Lindgren. Now, this is a brand new course for anybody who's interested in becoming an internet marketer, specifically affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, basically what that is you take somebody's product and you promote it and you sell it and you get commissions for it. Now, it's not quite as simple as that, which is why this course has been put together by these guys. What attracted myself and my business partner Paul to these guys was their honest and factual approach. There's too many internet gurus on the internet who claim to know everything about everything, and that's really where they've tried to stand apart from everybody else. So if you're brand spanking new at this whole wanting to make money online, or if you're like Paul and myself, and I'll show you that in a minute, you know what we've done and what we currently do with our customers. If you want to get into that space of affiliate marketing, then this course is for you. Okay, so we're on my computer, and as you can see, we're on our website at the moment, myself and my business partner Paul, which is Internet Marketing for You. So we're a bit of an agency where we help businesses, small businesses, generate more customers for their own business, if you like. Now, just to give you a bit of a flavour of who we are, because again, like we say, you know, we like the honest approach, and there's too many people out there touting products that they really don't believe in themselves. So let me just show you on our site. You know, we've got some products here that we actually use ourselves in our business. So Commission Gorilla being one of them, which is all about affiliate programs that you want to promote and adding bonuses to those. So we bought that. We're also an affiliate for that as well. Another product is AdSite Pro, which is all to do with Facebook marketing. Conversio bots, so we build chatbots for people. We also build business videos as well. So, and obviously Breakthrough as well. So these are products that we actually use ourselves, and I can show you that here because here's our chatbot website that we have up and running, and our video one as well, where we make explainer videos for people, and the chatbot software that I've got, which is here. And that there's about 50 chatbots that we've built over the last 3 months. So it's not something that we take lightly. We only promote products that we particularly like, and we really like Breakthrough. So once you've clicked on our link, which will be somewhere on underneath this page is here, and this is Trevor. You can read through all of this yourself, and it just gives you reasons why you should buy it, tells you how much it is. You can see there, $9.97. So once you've gone through the sales page and you've had a look and convinced yourself that this is the product for you and it's worth every penny, then you will end up in the inside members area. Now, this is the inside area, as you can see here, with the menu on the left-hand side. You would obviously start here, depending on what level you're at as well. So if you're really, really brand new, then Making Headway is the first product that you really want to get involved in and take action on. There's nothing to buy in here. This is all part of what you've bought into the members area. Making Headway is a fantastic product actually, that when you're introduced into affiliate marketing, when you go into the platforms that the products are on sale, places like JVZoo, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, you have to get approval from the vendors like Trevor and Jonas to be able to sell their products. Headway is the training program, and you can see here in here that it shows you exactly what to do and how to get yourself approved, so that your ranking on those platforms shows that you've actually made some sales. And that's the key to the success, because too many people start off as an affiliate, request access to the products, but don't get approved because they've not had any sales. So the vendors look at them and ignore them because there's no sales, there's no proof that they've actually been sending anybody anywhere to look at any product. So Headway is the first product you need to get involved in. It doesn't take very long. It looks like there's a lot of videos there, but it doesn't take too long at all to go through it all. And you'll then be off the starting block. So as you can see, once you've done your headway, there's training on traffic, whether that be free traffic or paid traffic. Obviously selling breakthrough as well. Now that's something else that you'll get automatic approval for, to be able to sell this product as an affiliate, earning 50% commission. So 50% commission at the moment is 450 odd dollars. Sorry. There is also affiliate reviews, about your email, which autoresponders if you haven't got that far into your business. Your website as well, so that's a key thing that you need to have, is a website. There's webinars that they do. I'm not sure if it's once a month, or I'm not sure about that, but there's the webinar replays will be in there. Obviously the dashboard, the VIP Facebook group. Now I'm going to head over to there because that's an area that is super useful. So this is the Facebook group that you would get approval to be in as well. Now, just scrolling through this is live. So this is the update that's just come out 23 hours ago there. And in this group, we all help each other out. There's me with some comments on various different things. You can ask any questions in here to any of these guys, and they'll all help you out with various different things. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's been quite short. I hope it's not been too long for you. Breakthrough is definitely the product you need to jump on board with and get your hands dirty, because this internet business, you can make money out of it, but you do need to take action and you do need to put a bit of work in. So nobody's going to do it for you. You have to do it yourself, but it's there to be had and to make money from. So good luck and enjoy, and I'll see you in the Facebook group.